Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. So today I'm going to be trying out the L'Oreal Paris Glowing Lip Gloss, and this is one of the products from my January 2023 Chic Beauty box. And I recently posted that unboxing video up here on my YouTube channel, but I was excited about that. And it's a subscription box that I'm new to. This is only my second one I've ever gotten, but I love that it's all makeup products. And I was excited about the range in types of makeup products and the range in brands. You've got drugstore and high-end. So this here, as I was researching it online, it kind of made me a little bit disappointed in the Chic Beauty box because I realized this is part of the Summer Belle collection, a limited edition collection that was in collaboration with Walmart, where it cost less than $5, but it says it's a $9.99 value. And like the value difference I'm not too mad about. It's the fact that this is a limited edition summer product that I'm now getting in my January subscription box that I paid $35 for. And it just feels like if they're going to be giving us old Walmart exclusive products in this beauty subscription, then that's not what I want. But so aside from all that, this is what I got, and I am excited to try it out because I like lip glosses like this. I got it in the shade Shall We Dance, which looks like this pretty pink with gold glitter. So let's go ahead and try it out, but I'm bummed about that discovery that I made for a Chic Beauty box. But okay. So let's check out the applicator here. Ooh, a nice big doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. I think it smells like watermelon. Like one of my favorite nostalgic lip product scents is watermelon. And that's what this smells like. Oh, I love when my lip products have a good scent. Okay, now let's see what the color looks like in the swatch. Okay, it's like a very faint peachy color, but it does seem to have some good shine and very small shimmer sparkle. So I think this should give some very high shine gloss effect to the lips, but let's go ahead and find out. Wow, it's a surprisingly thin gloss. I did not expect it to be so thin, but I actually feel like I have to pick up some more to get enough on my lips. Oh my gosh, this seriously is so nostalgic to me. Also, like the scent, but also because of the shimmer glitter in it. It's maybe a little bit too shimmery, glittery for my preference. And it's that like stringy type of lip formula where as I'm talking, like it's like stringing in between my lips, which is not cute. Even I could tell from when I took the applicator out, like it has like all the strings dangling from it. So I don't love when a lip gloss does that. It's also not moisturizing my lips very much. I have decently chapped lips right now, and when I rub them together I can still really feel that dry texture. So it really just, yeah, and I can see it too, like it really just coated over the dry areas in my lips. It's not like moisturizing them, getting rid of them the way I want my lip gloss to do. And that gold shimmer also I feel like is making it look like a lighter color on my lips. It's kind of draining the color from my lips, which I'm not finding to be super flattering on me. So it would maybe be better as a lip topper. But gosh, as I'm looking in the mirror here and I'm just seeing how it's stringing on my lips like that, like I wouldn't want to be talking to someone and feeling so embarrassed of how my lip gloss is looking so like kind of gross and stringy. And yeah, I'm just like not very impressed by the formula. The color isn't great. And I can see the dry texture on my lips a lot too, which should not be the case with a lip gloss. So there's really nothing about this that I'm happy with aside from the great smell. So yeah, not a product that I'm going to be reaching for, that I'm excited to have gotten in my Chic Beauty box. But it's like I say, not every product that I'm going to try out on here is going to be great, and that's why I try these out, so that I can be super honest and let you know if a product is actually worth getting or not. However, if you also got this in your Chic Beauty box, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.